welcome back to my channel. It's Cerise here, and for today's video I have a comparison video. It is comparing the same thing to the same thing, but it's a Jeffree Star comparison video. I've just done my review on the Sarcophagus Jeffree Star highlighter and it is blinding and amazing, and I've had actually a request. I was thinking about it in my last video and I just went through my comments on my phone. So I actually got a request to compare the pan of the Sarcophagus to the, pan inside the 24 karat pan. So I guess I'm going to compare them and see if they are the same formulas, that kind of thing for you guys, because someone asked. So if you ask, you shall receive. So this is Sarcophagus in its big pan, and then in its original pan, this is it here in the top. So you can see by looking at it, I can see what people mean about how it looks a bit different, but you've got to remember with my other one, it is worn down a bit. So once it's got that kind of like outer shell taken off, I think that it definitely would get a bit brighter. This one will, compared to this one. So I think the best option is to feel this. So one swipe, that's what happens there, and you can see how creamy it is. It's a very creamy kind of thick formula. So I'll just swatch that one on top of here and kind of rub it in. So that is the first one that is inside of the, what do you call it? That is inside the pan, the big pan, and then we'll do part of the 6 color, and that's get a different finger altogether. Let's get this finger and swipe it through. And this one doesn't feel as thick. You can see that was one swipe. It kind of looks pretty much the same. It doesn't feel as thick like in the pan. This one does feel like it's a bit more dense. But let's swatch this one anyway and see if it is actually different. So you can see I've swiped it on exactly the same. I feel like the one in the pan may be a little bit brighter. As for color, they don't look different, but one definitely looks a little bit brighter. What do you guys think? That is them there. Like, I think they look pretty similar. I feel like to say that these are different is kind of grasping at straws. Like, if you can see it on my hand, they just look exactly the same. They're just as blinding. I haven't put one on my face to compare. I feel like maybe I should maybe put it on like the bridge of my nose or something. I will do that now to see if it is any different. Let's get that same finger. And I'll just put it on my nose. And it really doesn't look any different. It looks pretty, like it's exactly the same. Like that ain't different at all. Like, I'm like, if anything, my nose is like super highlighted now. But yeah, honestly, I think that these two are the same. The only difference I found is that this feels lighter to put on and this feels a bit more heavier and a bit more dense to put on. That's the only really, my nose is so highlighted now. I think that that's the only difference. So yeah, hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If it did help you guys, then give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe with the subscribe boxes, and hopefully they guys answered some of your questions, because yeah, the question was, it looks like darker on Instagram, lighter on Instagram, but you gotta remember on Instagram there's filters and everything. The actual finish of it is pretty much exactly the same. You guys be the judge. Let me know in the comments down below, and yeah, I better wrap this up and I'll see you guys later.